नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका। और आज मेरी तैयारी का है डे 64 और मेरा जो टारगेट है उसके लिए डे रिमेनिंग रहे ओनली 305। सो लेट अस सी व्हाट इज़ माय टुडे शेड्यूल, बट बिफोर दैट we will see how much I have achieved from my yesterday's target. Okay, so as you can see, today is 26th of July and yesterday was 25th of July. Okay, so देखते हैं टारगेट में से कितना अचीव किया मैंने, क्या क्या सोचा था। फ्रेंड्स, आई एम नॉट हैप्पी to announce that yesterday I was not able to achieve my target, and I failed in that very badly, very badly. I cannot even imagine. So basically I did only this thing, technical learning. After that, from 11 to 12, I decided to do GS1's revision, GS2, GS1, GS1, GS2, GS2, only two subjects, but I was not able to complete that. Though I tried to complete it, but after finishing initial 30 minutes, I got involved in some other work related to home. Okay, so this diverted my attention from my target to household works. So that's why I failed to achieve that. Then later part of the day, I was just thinking about other things in the life which are going on, which are not good. Okay, so that's why I was not able to achieve my this target, and I failed in that very badly. I don't want to repeat the same thing again today also. So I have devised some techniques which I will implement in today's schedule making. So if you will watch that, definitely you will learn something. Okay, so let us see what is my today's schedule. So here I achieve only 2% of target, very bad. So let us see what is my today's schedule. So as you can see, on 26th of July I will do 9 to 10 technical learning. I have done this new change from 10 to this what is its name, from 10 to 11 I will do uh, GS1 Indian art and culture. Okay, from 11 to 12 also. And today I will do only one subject, art and culture, revision of only one subject, Indian art and culture, from 1 to 2 also, and from 3 to 4 also, from 6 to 8 also. Definitely I will finish that. And 9 to 10 I will do if something remaining, that portion. And from 10 to 11 I will do core margin gain and these things. So this is my today's schedule. Hope I will achieve this, I will complete it. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel.